Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in New York. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help you to start your own company. Now, why do I recommend it? Not only the customer service, really great reviews, but only because it's going to take you a lot of stuff off your shoulders that you have to do. What do I mean by that? I always say that you should focus on generating revenue, running the business, and providing value to people. You shouldn't care as a business owner of accounting also, yes, overview of how things are going, yes, but trying to micromanage everything is not a good way to go. Because then you're losing a time that you could invest to make more money. And by literally thinking what is a registered agent, what you should do, if I should be the registered agent, you are going to spend time for nothing. So here you want to easily click start my business, then choose the LLC, and then state of formation, find New York. When you do it, you're gonna have 3 plans here: silver, gold, or platinum. Silver version is going to be the preparing, filling the articles, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. You can go that way, but I recommend going with the gold or platinum. With the gold version, you're gonna have all the operating agreement, business tax number, IRS form, a business banking account, business tax consultation, all the important stuff. The business tax consultation is amazing. That's what I always recommend. And then you're gonna have the platinum version. So with the platinum, you're gonna have the expedited filling there. That's a huge thing if you want to have your own LLC filled faster. So I'm going to choose the gold package right now, and I'm going from there. If you want, follow my way. So here I'm going to add a first name and email address. So it's going to be tutorialis@gmail.com. I'm going to open my window. And now, when you go further, we're going to have the phone number. Okay. New York. Copy. And I'm going to paste the number. And then I'm going to have the street address. So, street address, also city. Then state New York, and zip code. Click next. Now you can have options to have a 3 weeks filling time or 1 business day filling time. This is completely up to you which one you're going to choose, but if you want to have your LLC faster, I would go with the 1 business day. Then click next. Then you're going to choose the LLC name. So this is the name of the company. So let's say you would have bakery with Jessica, or I don't know. So LLC name is going to be, let's say, Marcus Marketing Sanwi. And designator is going to be LLC. Number of members, you're going to choose 1, 2, 3, it's up to you. And business purpose, let's say marketing service for small business owners. Then tell us what your industry or business in. So I'm going to write some marketing as a keyword, and then I can find all the keywords here. So I'm going to choose the marketing consulting services, and then company address information here. So here you would add if you want to have a professional business address, and then you would maintain privacy by using a commercial address, or you can use your own. So this is up to you which way you're gonna go. And when you're gonna have it, you just add here the address. If you want to have the professional business or use your own, that's again up to you. You can read their benefits. When you got it, you're gonna click next again. So here I have the business contract templates and domain name, and if you want, you can easily upgrade to premium. So if you're looking for business contract templates, you can easily find these here as a terms of service, privacy policy, sales agreement, everything here. And when you have it, you can click get upgrade bonus or no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. So you add a member here, or if you're representing a company, you choose a company. and then I will click next here again. And then you see the registered agent information. So here, this is something that I definitely recommend to choose the registered agent with Incfile. You're gonna have it free for first year. You see also what is the registered agent receives and forwards important legal and tax correspondences on behalf of the company. And it's going to take a lot of stuff from your shoulders if you're gonna go this way. And you can also, I would like to act as my own registered agent. You can do that too. So free first year, guaranteed rates, all inclusive, reduced junk mail, all of that you're gonna have covered. And then you're gonna have the tax identification number information. So here you see, we will apply and obtain your number from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the I number. And this is something that I would definitely recommend to do, again, with the Incfile. So I will just add here the SSN number, or if you have the item, you choose that. And when you're gonna have it, physical address again, and then next. Now you're gonna have the option to set up small business banking. So they're going to help you with setting up your bank account. But if you want, you can, yes, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact you, or not at this time. And when you're gonna click next here. And then you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation that, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. And here you're gonna have the LLC tax, how to reduce self-employment taxes, all the important stuff here. And you can easily click here, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free. That's something that I definitely recommend for you to do. Now I'll click next here. And then we identify 2 licenses. So you can have option to do it by the work by yourself, or yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. So this is something that I definitely recommend, again, doing with Incfile. So they're going to take the stuff from your shoulders and then use the company address again. And then click next here. Now when you're gonna have it, you're gonna have the review order of everything what you did, and do order. Check everything is like good here, and if so, and you can edit stuff here, you're gonna click next again. And then billing information, first name, street address, card number, everything here. And when you're gonna have filled everything, then you would just simply complete and pay. And this is pretty much it, how you can start your own LLC in New York. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, you can ask directly in Incfile on our support, or write the question down below in the description. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.